Okay, we're going to make a casserole today. And you start out with Idaho spuds in the little box. I've used 2 of them. I put real butter over all top of it. And you to make this work, now you put 2 cups of water in this. Let it set 15 minutes, hot boiling water. Let it set 15 minutes, then put it in your pan. Okay, now in the bottom of this pan is the hash browns. Then I put butter all over the top of it and sausage on top of that. And then we're going to add eggs and cheese. In your hash brown box, put your eggs in it. Put 6 of them. Crack them in there. Scramble them up. And let this bake in the oven for 20 minutes before you put your eggs on top, and then let it bake some more. So, start it out at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. If you hear talking in the background, it's Frosty the Snowman with Burt Reynolds being the talk on it, the voice. Okay, I'm scrambling my eggs up. I've got my hash browns and my sausage and butter in the oven. Baking for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And then I'm going to take it out and add these eggs on top. And we're going to let it bake another 20 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out, put cheese on it. And you can also put pepper and salt on it if you want, on your hash browns. Do that before you put your sausage in your butter. My son's meal. Uh, Corn, hominy, and our gratin taters. This is what my son picked out today. Our gratin potatoes. I baked them in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. Then I turned them over, put uh, milk and water back in them because they was done dry. Then I put cheddar cheese in them, let them bake another 5 minutes. And then I turned them out, turned them again, and then took them out. Put salt and pepper on it. My son wanted corn, and I poured all the juice out of the corn can. Put 2 tablespoons of butter in it, stirred it up, and let it heat till all the water was boiled back out of it because I put fresh water in it. And then that's what you look like. And then you could put, when you get it out of your plate, onto your plate, you can put 2 tablespoons of sugar on it. He also wanted hominy, so I dumped the water out of the can of hominy. I put salt and pepper and butter, and that's what I cooked it in. Now I put all the egg on it. I'm going to stick it back in the oven at 400 for 20 more minutes. This is what it's looking like after 40 minutes. Now we're going to put the cheese on it and put it back in there till the cheese melts, and we're done. At 8 ounces of cheese, mozzarella, and 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Or you could do 4 ounces of cheddar cheese and 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Okay, it's going to go back in the oven till the cheese is melted, and it's going to be done. Total of 45 minutes. The casserole is done. Please like and share. Subscribe if you ain't already. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on TikTok. And you can find me on YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks.